Meet ABAIQ, the AI-powered Chrome extension that generates professional ABA session notes in seconds. Whether you're an RBT, BCBA, or BCABA, ABAIQ reads your session data and writes your clinical notes for you. Let me show you everything it can do. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search for ABAIQ. Click Add to Chrome and the extension icon will appear in your toolbar. Pin it for easy access. You can also open it anytime with Alt-Shift-A. Click the icon to open the sidebar. You'll see a welcome screen with a sign-in button. Click it to create your account or log in. Once signed in, you'll see a personalized greeting. After adding your first client, first-time users get a quick onboarding tutorial, but I will skip it for now to show you in step-by-step. Let's take a quick look at the sidebar. At the top, your client selector, Improve button, Drafts mode, Language, Theme, and Reload. In the center, 2 tabs, Details, where you import and prepare your session data, and Notes, where your generated drafts appear. At the bottom, Notes and Credits Counter, Note Type Selector, and Account Settings. Let's add your first client. Click the circle icon at the top left, then New Client. Type your client's initials and click Create. Each client saves their own participants, behavior functions, and training objectives. You only enter them once. Switch between clients anytime from the dropdown. Now the core feature, Autocomplete Details. Open your EHR or documentation page. Click the Autocomplete Details button. Notice it shows the favicon of the website you're on. This works with any platform, Office Puzzle, ABA Matrix, CentralReach, Catalyst, or any other. It reads your entire session page automatically. Date, time, place of service, participants, maladaptive behaviors, replacement programs, billing codes, everything. The checklist shows every piece of data detected from your page. Green check marks mean the data was found, orange pencil for items that weren't detected, and red cross for required items, maladaptive behaviors, and replacements. You can always edit your information or add it manually if not imported. Click any item to expand it and see the exact value imported. The Environmental Changes field suggests possible environmental changes for your session. If none were detected, you can refresh to see more options. You can also edit it manually anytime. Want more context in your notes? Click Want to add more details. These extra fields can be auto-detected from your session page, or you can add them manually. Participants, like mother, father, or caregiver. Behavior functions, such as escape, access to tangibles, or attention. Training objectives, these are used specifically for caregiver training notes. And other details, activities, materials, anything relevant. All saved per client. Fill them once, they're there every time. The note type is selected automatically based on your session context, but always double check it before generating. You can change it anytime from the selector at the bottom. Every note type is covered. Now for the magic. Click Generate Note Draft. A streaming banner appears. Relax and watch the magic happen. The AI writes your note in real time using all the session data you imported. Within seconds, a complete professional clinical note appears. It includes everything: behaviors with antecedent and consequences, replacement programs, participants, session duration, and proper clinical language throughout. A note that normally takes 20 to 30 minutes, done in seconds. Want a second opinion? Click the drafts icon and select 2 drafts. 2 different versions appear side by side. Pick the best one or combine the strongest parts of both. Hit the regenerate button for a fresh version anytime. Now the improve feature, one of the most powerful tools available. Click the star icon at the top of the sidebar. This opens the improve screen. Paste any note, even one you wrote yourself, and let the AI polish it. Click improve. Look at the difference. Proper ABA terminology, structured formatting, accurate data, professional language, with every fact intact. Copy the result or click auto paste to send it back to your page. Now the floating toolbar, a game changer for your workflow. Go to any page and select some text or click in any text box. A sleek toolbar appears right where you selected. Every major feature is at your fingertips. Let me walk through each button. The first and most powerful option is Generate Draft. Here, it reads the entire page automatically. No need to select any text. It generates a full note and inserts it directly into the text box where you clicked. one button, done. Next is Autocomplete Details. It reads the entire page, just like Generate Draft, but without generating a note. It only fills in your session fields in the sidebar. No need to select any text. For the next option in the toolbar, you select some specific information and click Send to Details. This option captures selected text and sends it to the Details panel in the sidebar. Perfect for grabbing specific information from your session page. Now let's see the improved feature in action. Here's a note written quickly after a session. Casual tone, vague descriptions, no clinical language. Select it, click Improve from the toolbar. Watch what happens. The AI rewrites the entire note with proper ABA terminology, structured formatting, and professional clinical language, without changing a single fact, from a 2-minute rushed note to a polished clinical document, instantly. The Participants button inserts your Save Participants list at your cursor. Environment Changes does the same for environmental changes. One click to insert information you use every session. The Copy button gives you a quick way to copy any selection to your clipboard. Click the 3-dot menu for visibility settings. Add the toolbar to a specific site, enable it only on one site, disable it on a specific site, or disable it everywhere. Full control over where it appears. You can also toggle it from the sidebar settings. Every feature is also in the right-click menu. Right-click anywhere and you'll see all the same options. Perfect when you prefer not to use the floating toolbar. Now let's test Auto Export with a dual event session. This is where the tool really shines. It detects that 2 different events happened in the same session. For example, a supervision to RBT followed by a caregiver training. It generates a separate note for each one and exports each note into its corresponding field automatically. Notice how it detects the place of service, duration, participants, and specific details individually for each event. If Auto Export doesn't work on a specific site, you can always copy and paste manually. Toggle Auto Export with the floating button on the right, or from the Settings menu. Light and dark mode are built in. Click the sun or moon icon to switch. Dark mode is perfect for late-night documentation. You can also switch between English and Spanish. Everything changes: the sidebar, toolbar tooltips, and the right-click menu. Full bilingual support. At the bottom, your notes and credits counters. Click them to see your plan and usage. Tap the info icon for details. Each draft costs 1 note. Credits are the AI processing power used. 4 plans available. Start free and upgrade as you grow. Want extra notes for free? Use Invite a Friend. Click Invite to copy your referral link. When someone signs up, you both earn bonus notes. Click Send Feedback at the bottom to share thoughts, report issues, or request features. We read every message. 2 more settings at the bottom. The Selection Toolbar toggle controls the floating toolbar that appears when you select text. Turn it on or off depending on your preference. Auto Export controls whether your generated notes paste automatically into your documentation page. Below that, you'll find your current plan and usage. Click Explore Plans to see all available options. Free trial gives you 5 notes and 100 credits to get started. Starter is 25 notes per month with 500 credits. Pro gives you 60 per month with 1,200 credits. And Premium, 200 per month with 4,000 credits. Click on any plan and it takes you directly to the pricing page to upgrade. Click Dashboard to open the full web portal, manage billing, view generation history, and update your account. Need help? Click Support at the bottom to send us an email directly. We read every message. And if you ever want a refresher, click Tutorial at the bottom. It replays the onboarding walkthrough right inside the extension. Some pro tips before we wrap up. Always start with Autocomplete Details. It captures everything so you don't type a thing. Add behavior functions once per client. They're saved permanently. Use Improve to polish any note, even ones you wrote from scratch. Try 2 draft mode for important supervision notes. 2 perspectives are better than 1. For the fastest workflow, Alt-Shift-K to autocomplete, Alt-Shift-G to generate, done in seconds. That's everything ABAIQ can do for you, for now. We're constantly improving and adding new features, so make sure to subscribe and stay updated. Stop spending 20 minutes on every session note. Let ABAIQ do it for you in seconds. Click the link below to install it free from the Chrome Web Store right now. Your time is valuable, and ABAIQ knows it.